In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change Qatar Airways ticket date. The process is relatively smooth, provided your ticket type allows for changes and you make them before your scheduled departure. Start by visiting the official Qatar Airways website in here in your favorite browser, or use the Qatar Airways mobile app instead. Once logged into your account or using the Manage Booking section, enter your booking reference and last name exactly as they appear on your ticket. After accessing your booking, you'll be able to view your flight itinerary. Look for the Change Flight or Modify Booking option, where you can select a new date and see available flight options. The system will then show you any applicable fare differences or change fees depending on your ticket's flexibility. In many cases, especially for economy class promotional fares, there might be a fee or upgrade cost. However, flexible tickets or tickets purchased during special promos may allow free changes or changes at a discounted rate. Once you select the new date and confirm the details, you'll be prompted to complete payment if there's any additional charge. Upon successful confirmation, Qatar Airways will issue you an updated e-ticket with the new flight date, and you'll also receive an email confirmation. If you booked your flight through a third-party travel agent or website, you won't be able to change it directly on Qatar Airways' site. In that case, you must contact the agent or platform where the booking was made. They have their own modification policies and might charge extra service fees. You can also contact Qatar Airways customer service through their official phone numbers or social media for assistance, especially if you face issues online or your ticket involves special cases like medical requests or companion bookings. Remember to make the change well before check-in closes, ideally at least 24 hours prior to your original departure time. If you're already close to the travel date or within a few hours of departure, it's better to call Qatar Airways directly to ensure the changes go through in time. That's it. Thank you for watching this video.